Clear up problem skin with these tips. Acne troubles people all across the age spectrum, but it can be treated effectively, regardless of your age. As you watch this video, look for the tips and suggestions that are most appropriate to your particular situation. Begin to implement effective solutions to your acne breakouts to increase your own sense of beauty. If you have acne-prone skin, change your pillowcase frequently. Over time, dirt and oil from your hair and skin can build up on your pillowcase. When you lay your face down on it at night, it can then clog your pores, leading to acne. The best way to avoid this problem is by regularly changing your pillowcase. In some cases, acne can be a major inconvenience. To minimize your acne, it is best to wash your face daily with a specific face wash that is compatible with your skin. Doing so keeps your pores clean and the dirt off your face. For the best results, wash your face twice a day. A great home remedy for clearing up acne is apple cider vinegar. It may not smell so good, but if you just put a tab on a cotton ball and rub it into the problem areas, you will have a clearer face by the time you wake up in the morning. Honey is an interesting home remedy for acne. It not only indulges your sweet tooth, but has antibacterial and antiseptic properties that kill acne bacteria and reduce redness. Simply apply to the skin or construct a mask by mixing with lemon juice, yogurt and milk. Let on for 20 minutes, for effective results. To help control acne breakouts, remember to use makeup applicators and not your fingers. While many people use their fingers to apply makeup, this actually contaminates the makeup because your hands are dirty and then this dirt transfers to your face. Use applicators like sponges, brushes or other tools designed for makeup application. If you are an otherwise healthy adult woman with serious acne issues, consider asking your doctor if birth control pills could facilitate the problem. Birth control pills help regulate your hormone levels, and most acne breakouts in young adults are related to hormone fluctuations. The regulation of hormones could reduce the number of breakouts you suffer. Do not allow sweat to stay on the body for long periods if you do not want acne. Sweat will clog pores, and this may cause breakouts. Get in the shower as soon as you can after sweating a lot. After exercise or other sweaty exertion, skin that is at risk for acne should be cleaned immediately. Sweat is one of the greatest factors in acne infection. Letting it dry on the face or other susceptible areas can make an acne problem much worse. Showering right after working out is a good anti-acne tactic. In your fight against acne, if you have been suffering from dry skin because of the scrubs that you have been using on your face, try to use a basic salt and water mix to wash your face. It will take the oil off of your face while avoiding the over-drying that can happen with the other face washes. Treat your face with a strawberry mask. Puree a half of a cup of strawberries and mix them together with some sour cream. Apply it to your face and allow it to sit for about 5 minutes. Rinse with warm water and pat dry with a soft towel. It will clean your skin better than many soaps and will prevent a breakout. To prevent breakouts, keep hair pulled back and away from your face. The oil in hair can clog pores. You should also gently cleanse your face with a mild soap. Acne products are fine, but don't overdo it. You will end up with dry, irritated skin, and stripping the skin of its natural oil may make it overproduce it in the future. As you can see, the path to acne-free skin does not have to be complicated. You can use this video as a guideline to get rid of your current pimples and blackheads. You can also begin laying the foundation for a smoother, more glowing complexion for the rest of your life. If you found this video helpful, then please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel and share this with others who might find this helpful.